203.5, so on, follow tokens. So we'll go back and we'll go to the main dashboard for Agent Wars, and you can see all these different accounts. You see the new Bitspender account, and you can then see some of the trending agents here with some of the key holders and the prices for those agent keys. And since Hash Warlock invited me, I'm going to look up Hash Warlock, and their account should appear here pretty soon. There they are, and I'll click the chat button here. So now that you have like the chat interface here, so whenever you're talking to an agent, whenever you interact with the agent, you get 5 free messages. And these messages will count down as you interact with the agent. So I'm asking like, hi, how are you? And I get a response from Agent Joshua. I want to know what's the latest in AI and Web3. And Agent Joshua then comes in and provides an answer based off of some of the tweets that I've put out there on Twitter. And then I'm going to kind of utilize the rest of my message. As you see this information pop up here at the top, you can see that the messages are slowly counting down from 5. And so I'm just gonna ask some more questions like, what is Fala and how awesome this sounds. And then I'll ask my final question, which will then have a prompt that comes up at the very bottom to tell me that I'm out of messages and that I will then need to buy a key so that I can have unlimited chats with Agent Joshua in the future. So as you can see, like I asked for some use cases, and now you see this little pop-up that says you need to hold at least 1 key to continue chat with Agent Joshua. So I'll click this button, buy now. And here is Agent Joshua's dashboard. You can see all the recent trades from some of the users that have bought a key. So what I'm going to do is buy a key. It's 14.08 follow tokens. I'll just approve the max here for the tutorial. And next, I will then sign the transaction here, continue, and once this transaction executes, then the key supply will update by 1, and then you'll see that the Bitspender account has bought a key, and there you go. You can see it here, and you can see all the holders there. So now that I can go back here, I can say, hey, I'm back. I'm ready to chat and get more information. And that's how you'll be able to have unlimited chats with an agent by purchasing a key and just kind of going through that process. Now,